Hey everyone, Jeremy here with another one of JMO's beer reviews. Watching the Toronto Raptors game on TV. Toronto Raptors. Alright, everybody check out my YouTube channel on youtube.com. JMO's beer reviews. Alright, get a close-up of this one. Alright, we are trying out the brand new. Never tried this before. Got Thornbury Beverage Company Pickup Truck Pilsner. Okay. Let's read the back of this one. All right. Inspired by the tradition and heritage of the great European beers from Pilsner in the Czech Republic, our award-winning Canadian Pilsner is handcrafted in small batches with the world's best malts and hops. Made in Canada with the world's finest ingredients. Thornbury, Nobleton, Ontario, Canada. Alright? Check that one out. Going a little bit more in depth now with the beer reviews, you know, reading off the back of the can. Got Das Boot, the Oktoberfest beer boot from Germany. Show the color of the beer there. Nice light golden color. Oh. Check that one out. Watching the Raptors game. JMO's beer reviews, youtube.com. Alright, tell your friends, tell your family, share, like, whatever. Sensational on Friday night in Orlando, season high 19. Great start. It is a very good beer. I'm going to have to give that one a 2.68 out of 5 stars. 2.68 out of 5 stars. All right, check me out on JMO's beer reviews on YouTube. All right, thanks everyone.